In this lesson, we are going to look at deleting some sample data that has been added to the default settings of our WordPress website. So the front part that people can see is this, but there's a couple of data that we need to take care of. So the first one is we go to posts. Okay, we go to posts, and this post says hello world, and then if you view this post, we're going to realize that our website has got this post that says welcome to WordPress. This first post, edit, delete, then start writing, and this is a comment as well that is there. So what we need to do is to go to all posts and then click on this, and then what we need to do is to delete this because we don't need that. Okay, and then if we go to pages again, we go to all pages, we have got a sample page which we don't need. You just select on that, you click on trash. So when you click on trash, I want you to take note that trash does not necessarily mean that it has been deleted. You can always restore it from the trash, but again, also you can permanently delete it. Okay, and then I'm going to go to comments. Once I go to comments, I need to also see if there are any comments because we deleted that post and then the comments were gone. And then we go to plugins, and then you go to installed plugins. You're going to see a plugin that is called Hello Dolly. We are going to remove this. Okay, and there is also a plugin that is called Akismet, which is an anti-spam plugin. So this one, yes, you can actually activate it and follow the settings. I'll show you when we're talking about the plugins. And then the other thing that we need to update is to update permalinks. Okay, so let me just explain what permalinks are. So if you go over to this URL, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Oh, I zoomed too much. Okay, but anyway, what you can see here is the date. It says .com, and then there is the date, and then there is the post. That is what we need to deal with right now. Okay, so that it doesn't show the date. So in order for us to work on that, we need to, let me see. Okay, we need to head over to our word, and then we go to settings, and then you go to permalinks. Now permalinks is, as you can see here, you can have plain permalink that is called, when you have a .com, your website name .com / and then a question mark p equals, and then date and name, and then you want to have month and name, and then you need to have numeric, and then you need to have post name. So most cases, a lot of people select post name, unless if you're creating an archive, which is sort of a library whereby you want people to relate your post according to the date that you have actually posted. So that's how you do that, and then you just click save. Once you do that, you have actually deleted the sample data and you have updated your permalinks. And let me know if you have done that, and please do post in our social group about your progress and if you have any questions. As you can see right now on our website, the sample page right now is gone. It's no longer showing there, and there is a couple of things that is at the bottom here. We're going to be dealing with this on the customization part. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and do let us know if you have any questions, and bye for now.